Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty Group.
We are going to another episode of the Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us here today. We're going to...
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to their destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello everyone, Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty, coming to you today with the 3Rivers Market Report for May 22nd, 2024. Definitely saw a lot of positivity and optimism in the market. Saw up arrows, definitely beating down arrows this week. And you know, closings happen every day. Even during the Great Recession, homes were still being sold. So you never know when you got to make a move. We saw active available inventory up 33 or 9% week over week, up to 414 available active listings, up 27% year over year. New listings came in up 7% week over week, up 24% year over year. Solds came in down 13% week over week, down about 18% year over year. But pendings came in up 1%, down only 5% year over year. Median sale price came in at $271,450, showing 3% appreciation based on last year's median sale price. Days on market came in at 25 average for median, which is still a very fast market, especially historically. Faster than last week. We're actually sped up a little bit. Versus last year, 15.3, it's a little bit slower, but not a whole lot because that median number's 4 as opposed to 3 last year. Homes sold over the last 12 months came in at 4,317 versus last year, this time 4,771, showing we're down about 9.5% versus last year. Homes sold, we need homes available, half of that 4,317, we need 2,158 active available listings. Remember, we only have 414. So we're showing about 5.2 buyers per listing. So we're still showing really strong buyer demand. We've got just over a month inventory now. Still puts us in extreme seller's market. Feel free to reach out to us if you need anything or you'd like any other content. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.